So hey guys, I'm Matthew, as you know, or you might know, depending which channel you're on. And this is Aiden.
Hello, people ruse. It's the new word of the day, people ruse.
You might know who he is if you're watching this on his channel, but you might not if you're watching his on my channel. But anyways, so
We're besties, best friends.
yeah, we're
awesome.
besties. We have another channel, M&A Show. Check it out.
It's cool. We'll leave a link right here.
No, it'll be below in the comments. Okay, so
Whatever.
Anyways, we're gonna start this channel called Random Acts of Weirdness. Every episode is gonna have its own subject. The first episode is gonna be dogs. Like, how come dogs got to do this? And why can't we do that? And then it will show, yeah, for example, how come dogs get to sniff? And then it will show us doing whatever the subject is.
Yeah, we don't get it at all.
It's going to be an interesting series. It's going to be posted on both of our channels, maybe even an episode or two on the M&A Show. So anyways, if you're watching this on his channel, there'll be a link for my channel in the description or the comments. And if you're watching this on my channel, there'll be a link for his channel in the comments. We'll also leave a link for the M&A Show. So, enjoy! Look at this. Look, pet waste. Pet waste. I really don't see how it's fair that pets get to waste wherever they want, but you don't see a human doing this. Pet waste. So now that I've reviewed it, I need to go pick up my pet waste. Now you can actually consider me a pet. Now if you will excuse me, I need to go pick up my waste.
Oh, grody. Ew. I don't remember eating this. What are you looking at, son?
Well, dogs, they eat grass when their stomach hurts. My stomach might hurt right now, so I need some grass. Oh, so juicy. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, why do dogs even try to eat this stuff?
You know, I don't get, well, why don't humans walk around naked? I mean, you never see a human walking around the street and like, no clothes, no shirt.
Dogs get to sniff other dogs' butts. I mean, it's just unfair. I want to do that. I want to know when the last time he took a dump. So, I'm going to try it out. Wahaha. Bacon? I smell bacon. Oh, what a little sweetie, you little puppy. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah!
So, I don't really get the butt sniffing, but you know, the sniffing everything, I get. I mean, the butt sniffing, that's just gross. Like, ew.
What's most unfair? How come dogs get to walk on all fours? I mean, I know they have different legs than us. See, that guy's sniffing everything, and while he's doing it, he's walking on all fours. So it's just unfair. I want to walk on all fours. need this when I can do this? Smells good. Bacon? Bacon? No, not bacon. More like a salami. Ooh, a pot roast. Oh, that's just nasty. Good. Bacon. Bacon. No, maybe bologna or pot roast. Who knows dinner these days? Somebody scratched my belly.